Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox connection error. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox connection error, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps and you will click here. Then in this list of apps, as you see, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a minute and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.